Hey everyone, Ivan here. Today we're exploring the fascinating science behind cognitive enhancement through nutrition, specifically how certain nutrients support brain health and cognitive function. I've been researching this topic and I love it because understanding how nutrition affects our brain function is crucial for anyone looking to optimize their mental performance, whether you're a student, professional, or just want to stay sharp as your age. Let's look at what the latest research tells us about the connection between nutrition and mitochondrial health and cognitive function by exploring some reputable sources. Here I got this source from the health.harvard.edu. We got this page of foods that linked to better brain power. We can see that there's no magic pill, as it shows here in the website, to prevent cognitive decline. No single almighty brain food can ensure a sharp brain as your age. Nutritionists emphasize that the most important strategy is to follow a healthy dietary pattern that includes a lot of fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Those are the basic things that we know, right? So to try to get a protein from plant sources and fish, and choose healthy fats such as olive oil or canola rather than saturated fats. Well, I like this study from Harvard, but actually you can eat a lot of more, Well, I'm not just advising. I'm not, it's not my recommendation, but I just want to give you some ideas. And the research that shows that the best trained foods are the same ones that protect your heart and blood vessels, including the following. We got the green leafy vegetables that we all love sometimes. We find it in the kale, spinach, collards, broccoli, that are rich in brain healthy nutrients like vitamin K, lutein, folate, and beta carotene. So this is really good, food. Also the fatty fish that we all know that have the omega-3 fatty acids, because it has really good things for the brains, like for people with Alzheimer disease. There's many things here you can find here. Also the berries that are flavonoids, the natural plants pigment that give berries their brilliant hues. So this is to improve memory and, many other things. And also we got the tea and coffee. Well, the caffeine, at a certain point, right? In your morning cup of coffee or tea, are really good. Might offer more than just a short-term concentration boost during the day. But, I do believe it's better to have just no more than two cup of coffees. Well, just it works for me. I won't say for anybody's the same, organism. And the walnuts, as we all know, are really, really good sources to protein and healthy fats. And one type of nut in particular might also improve memory. This is a really good information here. Let's pass to the other page that we have here, other information that is linking to this other one. We got from the, this research from the National Institute on Aging. So in this article, what do we know about diet and prevention of Alzheimer's disease? So this gives us some clues about what it's all about. Let's see. Here, when you're eating on a specific food or following on particular diet help prevent or delay dementia caused by Alzheimer's disease, many studies suggest that we eat affects the aging brain's ability to think and remember. These findings had led to research on general eating patterns on whether a person's diet might make the difference. That's really interesting. We all know that. We got some different kind of diets. like understanding the Mediterranean and mind diets. You got the Mediterranean diet that is with fruit, vegetables, and whole grains, legumes, fish, and other seafood, unsaturated fats such as olive oils, and low amount of red meat and eggs. Well, I love red meat, so I can say I'm not 100%. Well, I can say that is bad or good. Well, for me, it works really well. But everybody has their own body, So I don't just pretend just to tell that this is true or not. But it's a really good source of information too. We also have the Mediterranean Dash intervention for neurodegenerative delayed. This is a hybrid of Mediterranean and the Dash dietary approaches to stop hypertension. Now, this is really interesting. Several studies have shown that treating and reducing high blood pressure may help reduce the risk of dementia. Really interesting, right? Especially with some leafy vegetable berries over the fruit, whole grains, beans, nuts, one or more weekly servings of fish, really good, and olive oil. It's also limited servings of red meat. As I told you, it just depends on your taste, or I don't know. You can also, they're really good, nice sweets, cheese, butter, margarine, and fast fried food. Well, that's really bad. Well, I don't like fast fried food. It's not really healthy at all. Well, there's a lot of information here. Let's see. What about there's another. What do we know about individual food, like many foods, blueberries, leafy greens, and curcumin found in the spice turmeric, to name a few, have been studied for the potential cognitive benefit. These foods have been thought to have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and other properties that may help protect the brain. However, so far there's no evidence that eating or avoiding a specific food can prevent Alzheimer or age-related cognitive decline. As you can see, the other page is telling us that this is the truth or not. Well, nobody has the truth until you just try to test it yourself. This is not a truthful, sometimes research or many other, pages will have this really good information, but this is official page, is really good. I can say National Institute on Aging, but I just trying to tell you that the best is to try it for yourself. Each body has different, structure. And the last one, but not least, I got this ScienceDaily but this preliminary study shows that high dose coenzyme Q10 slows functional decline in Parkinson's patients. And this is have a lot of studies. I can say this somehow is true. It's really good information here. A national clinical trial tells that with 80 Parkinson's disease patients has showed that high dosages of a natural occurring compound, coenzyme Q10, slow by 44% the progressive deterioration in function that occurs in the disease. The greatest benefit was seen in everyday activities such as feeding, dressing, bathing, and walking. It's a lot of study here. It's a really good source of information. This is ScienceDaily.com. Well, there's a lot of more information that you can read here in this page. So what I can say about all of this information is just giving you all the time valuable information that I love to do to help people. So the science is clear that nutrition plays a crucial role. But just not to forget that you have your own body, your own, things. And also, once you try to do something, a diet or something, you got to better to look for a physician, and also to give you your best, dietarian, benefits for it before doing something. And not just reading. We also have to consult with our doctors. It's the very first thing that we gotta do. So you want to learn more about the science behind all of this health and cognitive function, I have a detailed article that I've linked in the description below. It dives deeper into how specific compounds support brain health and energy production at the cellular level. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you really like to to follow me on this channel, consider subscribing. And also you can drop me a comment too if you want. And Ivan helping you understand the science behind optimal health and performance. And thanks for watching. I see you in the next one.